Well, everybody, I guess remember this elevator brings me so much memories when I filmed this elevator. This is at the Mall of the Swords in Westbury, New York. And of course the indicator doesn't seem to work, so that's unfortunate. And here it is. When the button goes out, there it is. Ready to start the motor, and of course they don't work as a Schindler. Here we go. Brings me so much memories when I filmed his elevator. Here we go. Low on oil. You're going down? I forgot about you.
Oh, sorry about that. I'll probably film too, why not?
Oh yeah, sure. Are you in the, oh sorry. You can, so look what I have here. What's your name?
My name is Meg Malayas.
All right. You remember this is always low on oil, right?
Yes, I know it is. I filmed it.
All right. So since you have a YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe to his channel. I'll leave it in the description.
As you know, it's a pretty basic elevator, as you know. There's that thing.
Look at this. You're on your 88 phone.
And that one's going up.
All right.
Yeah, it's going up. You can come in if you like.
Watch that this elevator is low on oil. The close button doesn't seem to work. Always
Also doing delays.
等会再下吧。我上面还要下面。他正在修，在检修，在检修。
好像说电梯有点问题了。
Here we go.
This elevator is basically low on hydraulic fluid.
It is really.
Is there another elevator here?
There is, most likely.
All right. And use your call cancel button.
Always.
Certificate of operation is on file in building office. I think it was installed in 1999.
No, it was from 1997.
Let's go again. How about that? Let's
Yeah,
do this.
Yeah, let's do that. Trick door.
Watch, this elevator is gonna be low on oil again. And you can see the doors coming by.
Accelerated really slowly as you expected. Ooh, it's not louder.
Here we go. Whoa.
That was cool.
Is there a button down there?
There is.
Let's end on the second floor because there's another elevator here.
Yeah.
And
And